Welcome back. In the last lecture, we created an abstract class that had both concrete and abstract methods. Today, we focus on a special case, creating an interface. In Python, an interface is simply an abstract base class where every method is abstract. It defines a contract that forces all implementing classes to provide their own specialized functionality. 1. Defining the payment interface. We import the necessary modules and define payment processor as our interface. Notice that both methods, process_payment and check_status, are decorated with @abstract method and have no implementation body. This class is purely a contract. Any class that uses this interface promises to implement both of these methods. 2. Implementing the interface. We create a concrete implementation, credit card processor, which inherits from our interface. It provides the specific internal logic for process_payment and check_status. By implementing all abstract methods, this class fulfills the contract and can now be instantiated and used. 3. The enforcement of the contract. If we create another processor like PayPal processor and forget to implement the check_status method, Python prevents us from creating an object of that class. The interpreter raises a type error at the moment of instantiation, warning us that the class is still abstract. The interface successfully enforced its contract. To summarize, interfaces define standard behaviors without dictating implementation, which is crucial for building large, flexible systems where many components need to be interchangeable. This completes our discussion of the 4 pillars of OOP. Okay, next we are going to the next section, section 21, our next lecture 21.01. Introduction. See you there.